So I just got this car and already I gotta check engine light.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me.
Hey everyone, what's going on today? I have a special video for you. Any Maserati Granturismo owners, typically this can probably go from years of 09 models all the way up to the 18 or 19 models, not too sure, but I know I have a 2014 model and I'm about to change these spark plugs. Okay, so the check engine light is off right now because I disconnected the battery because I was going to do the spark plugs, and it looks like I do got a low tire pressure sensor on, but that's okay because my tire pressures are good. I just got recalibrated, so you get that 30 psi, that's fine. Quick tip, how to recalibrate your tire pressures: keep pressing the mode button until you get to this screen, TPMS calibration, and you hold this right here, hold it. All right, okay guys, so before I change the spark plugs, I like to disable the battery. Before I do that, let me just pop this door open real quick just in case. Yeah, I like to disable the battery because you know spark plugs deal with electricity and you don't want anything to be shocked. So I would just recommend taking off the negative, and it's very easy. It's got a simple switch right here. Okay, all you gotta do is pull it back and this will come right off. Okay, just tuck that back there. Okay, it's disconnected now. Let that down gently. Leave this open. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the process. So of course you know that the Maserati Granturismo has this beautiful engine covering around the beautiful engine, and I already took off this piece, put it right there in the floor. I know, don't hate on me in the comments that I don't have it on no towel or anything, but trust me, I put it down gently. It's fine, nothing's gonna happen to it. This is what I'm working with: Laser Platinum Premium spark plugs. This is PMR 8CH. Got 4 of them in here, 4 of them in there. I'm gonna replace all of them. And to show you that these aren't just random spark plugs, this is the official Maserati owner's manual especially for my model, but they should relatively run across the line of the same information across models. So as you can see right here on page 7 of 208, you have spark plugs NGK PMR 8CH. PMR, you see that matches NGK. Perfect. So I actually got these for about 16 bucks a pop, and on the website Maserati is going to charge you about 40 bucks a pop. So yeah, smarter, work smart. Okay, we got a 3/8 socket. I'm in one that is very that's a universal joint. It's on the joint because this right here in the back is going to be a little hard to get to. These 3 are going to be fine, but this one's going to be a little hard to get to in the back. And then same thing on this side. And then I got another, this is for the spark plugs. This has the magnet one inside of it. It's the 3/8, and the spark plugs are going to be the 5/8. Spark plug. Wow, look at that, burnt to a crisp. Now I see why the misfires were happening. Wow, this thing is burnt to a crisp. As you can see, NGKR. It's exactly the same ones I have. And let me show you what they should look like. So, the new one, wow, night and day. Bad one, good one. They sold the car to me like this. Horrible. Come on, Maserati, you can do better than that. Wow. Hopefully this fixes all my problems. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and change all of them. That's one down. And no more to go. All right, since that was so dirty, I'm gonna try to stick this in there and see if I get like any gunk out or anything like that. Let that soak in there. Okay, not too bad. Can't really focus. Not too bad. Try to make it a little more tighter. I don't want any paper napkin to get stuck in there, so I'm just doing it one more time. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, we're gonna put the new one in. I wipe this coil off a little bit. I should probably try to wipe the inside. Got like a little gunk. That's better. Alright. Put this in there. So this has a little slot tab right here and a little indentation right there. Right here. That's how you know it'll be lined up correctly. In case anyone was wondering. Nice little click. There we go. That's how you know it's in there. I can connect this back together. Nice little click. Push this in. All right, that's secure. All the wires are fine. They say number one cord goes on to number one ignition coil. So the 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4. So you don't want to mix the wires. It looked like it was gonna rain, and I just decided not to do that side today. Decided to do this side. So I got everything done. These first 3 were really easy. 1, 2, 3, and then the one in the back right there was the trickiest one. They're all doable though. And just to show you that the engine fires up, I'm gonna go ahead and connect the battery and fire this baby up. Okay, let's connect this. Alright, let's lock it. Perfect. Alright, let's fire this baby up. Already, I hear a difference. That sounds a lot better with the startup. Looks good. Goes to bed. All right, I'll give it a test drive. See if I get the engine light again. More than likely, I think I will, because every single spark plug on the driver's side was just fried, which is bad. So more than likely, the spark plugs on the passenger side are gonna be fried too. Put these up. I'll keep y'all up to date. Hey guys, so I was looking over the footage. I just wanted to make a big apology over just the lack of footage that was there. I was recording on my phone and it was a hot day. My phone was overheating many times, and it turns out a lot of the footage just did not get captured. So that's why you see bits and pieces that are just kind of like one thing's done and then the next thing you know, I'm finished. So I did want to reiterate some things. So how I got the spark plugs to be changed in the beginning. So they all have these coils on top of them, and these coils have a yellow clip right here. What you're gonna do is on the bottom, you're gonna click this yellow clip up, and then you can fold this black piece up, and then this will just pull on out. Okay, this will pull on out. So again, this yellow piece comes up, and then you can slide this out. So that's how I disconnected that coil from the connector. Okay, so it turns out Maserati did get in contact with me, and they were able to take some of the responsibility on themselves. I mentioned that the car just had bad spark plugs. I already changed out the passenger side, the driver's side, and they said, hey, bring it into the shop and we will finish the rest of the work. And plus I had a little AC issue going on where the AC wasn't properly charged, so they did that, and they handled that too. So as of now, all of this side is done. All the spark plug progress is done. Yeah, the car runs beautiful. There's been no check engine light. I've put on another 100 miles on it already. There's no check engine light. The AC works great. No other issues. So enjoy the rest of the video, and I appreciate you checking out the channel. Like and subscribe if you want to see more future content. Thank you.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got